Hey guys, how's it going? This is Team RepairPal, and this is a quick demo of our app that we made for our client Betsy. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's just click on the sign in button and sign in using the test user that we created for this demo. Let's enter the email address. And the password for our test user, and hit the sign in button. And as you can see, this brings us to the homepage that we have designed by adhering to our client's design choice as closely as possible. Scrolling down the homepage shows the popular services tab that highlights the current popular services on the app, and right beneath that is the nearby mechanics tab that filters signed up mechanic stores based on the user's proximity. Clicking on one of the mechanics brings you to the profile page for the mechanic, where you can access certain features. For starters, let's look at the chat feature. This is a friendly chat room created for you and your mechanic to discuss about your quotes and other issues you might want to discuss. Now, going back to the profile page, one other feature is the call feature. Clicking the call button redirects you to the caller app on your phone, through which you can place a call to your friendly mechanic. Going back to the profile page, another feature is the leave a review button. Clicking on this button redirects you to the Google reviews page for the store, where you can choose to leave a review after you sign up with your Google account. Alright, let's go back to the home page and let's take a look at the settings page for the app. It consists of many self-explanatory tabs and a logout tab, but the meat of this page is really the profile tab, where the user can change their profile details. Now let's go back and take a look at the cards tab, where the user can look up, edit, and add cards to their profile. This page also serves to highlight all the promotions the user has on their account. Now moving over to the quotes tab, this is where the user can choose to accept or decline a quote from their mechanics for the repair request by just clicking on the desired quote. Now to create a post on the app, you need to navigate back to the home screen and hit the create a post button, which opens up a form for you to fill out your issues, attach relevant pictures, and add additional details, and then submit the post. And there we go, the post is up. To verify or cancel your posting, you can go to the current post tab to see your posts and decide if you want to leave it for a mechanic to pick it up or cancel it. Now let's take a look at the chats tab of the app, where you can look up mechanics that you know using the search bar and start a conversation with them. Let's look up bond repair and initiate a chat with them. Alright, let's just quickly send Bond a hello message and hit send. Clicking on the username redirects you to their profile page, so in case you want to look up the profile page again, you can do so this way. And that wraps up the user's point of view for our app. So let's log out and sign up with a mechanic account. Hitting sign in brings us to the mechanics home screen. Now on pressing what was previously our quotes tab brings up active jobs near the mechanics. Now clicking on a job allows the mechanic to send the user who made the post a quote for their repair. On clicking the jobs tab, previously the cards tab, the mechanic can view a job history page along with the promotions he can provide to his customers. That about wraps up the demo for the app. Thank you to Betsy for letting us work on this project, and thank you the viewers for taking your time to watch this video. Have a nice day.